the properties of the determinants, you need to prove that determinant alpha, beta, gamma, alpha square, beta square, gamma square, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha into alpha plus beta plus gamma. This question is taken from the NCERT textbook. Also in 2007, 2008, 2012 and 2010 and 12. The same question was asked in the board examination. It's a very, very important question. Now, let's do this sum. Solution. Consider LHS. Alpha, beta, gamma, alpha square, beta square, gamma square, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, alpha plus beta. Now, what I am going to do here is, by looking at it, no, I won't be in a position to take out anything common as such. So, I can write R1 as R1 plus R3. If I do that, in R1 I will be having alpha plus beta plus gamma, again beta plus gamma plus alpha, which is alpha plus beta plus gamma. Same way, when I add these two, I will be getting alpha plus beta plus gamma. Then I can take out alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, once I do that, I will be getting this particular term. Okay, so let's do it. Once I do this operation, this determinant is nothing but determinant alpha plus beta plus gamma, then alpha square beta plus gamma. Here also you will be having beta plus gamma plus alpha, beta square gamma plus alpha, then gamma plus alpha plus beta, gamma square alpha plus beta. Now, this is what I am getting. Now, taking out alpha plus beta plus gamma from R1, what will I be getting? Taking out alpha plus beta plus gamma from R1, I will be getting, this is equal to alpha plus, that is LHS is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma into determinant 1, 1, 1, alpha square, beta square, gamma square, then beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, alpha plus beta. This is what I get. Next what I am going to do, I have to make two terms 0. That is my aim. So, I can write C1 as C1 minus C2. Right? C1 as C1 minus C2. Alpha plus beta plus gamma into, what will happen here? When I do 0, alpha square minus beta square. Here beta plus gamma minus of alpha plus beta. So when I open the bracket, plus gamma minus gamma will get cancelled. I will be left with only minus alpha. So beta minus alpha. Then the next step will remain the same. 1 beta square gamma plus alpha. The next column, third column also will be the same. Okay. Now what I can do? Take out alpha minus beta from C1. Taking out alpha minus beta from C1. What will I get? Alpha plus beta plus gamma into determinant. First anyway it is 0. If I take out alpha minus beta, if I take out, I will be left with only alpha plus beta. I have only alpha plus beta. Then, here what will happen? I am taking out alpha minus beta, but I am having a beta minus alpha. That means I have here minus 1. Not plus 1, I have only minus 1. Then the second column will remain the same. Third column also will remain the same. Okay. I hope you understood this particular point. I am taking out alpha minus beta from C1. Alpha square minus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta is outside. So, alpha plus beta will be here inside the determinant. Okay. And I taken out alpha minus beta, but here I am having beta minus alpha. So, it is minus of alpha minus beta. So, minus 1. I am going to write C2 as C2 minus C3. Then what will happen? This will be alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta into the determinant 0 alpha. Let me write here into the determinant 0 alpha plus beta minus 1. Here 1 minus 1 which will be 0. Then beta square minus alpha square. Then gamma plus alpha minus of alpha plus beta. So plus alpha minus alpha will get cancelled. I will be left with only gamma minus beta. Similar to what we did over here. Same thing only. In this place. Same thing only. So gamma minus beta. Third column will remain the same. Now, looking at it, I can say beta square minus gamma square is nothing but beta plus gamma into beta minus gamma. So, I can take out beta minus gamma. Then what from C2? So, taking out beta minus gamma from C2, you get your LHS will be alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into the determinant 0 alpha plus beta minus 1 0. See here beta minus gamma taken it out. Inside you will be having beta plus gamma. Then beta minus gamma is outside, but here I am having gamma minus beta. So naturally I will be having here minus 1. Okay. Third column will remain the same. Yes. So I made 2 entries 0 in the first row. I am going to expand through first row now. That is R1. I will be getting, when I expanding through R1, we get LHS alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into, see here, this into the value of the determinant becomes 0, minus 0 into the value of the determinant is going to be anyway 0. So I will be having 1. 1 into product of alpha plus beta into minus 1 minus of product of minus 1 into beta plus gamma. It's the usual way of expanding the determinant. So what do you get? 1 into, I will be having alpha plus beta into minus 1. Alpha, let me write here, into alpha plus beta into minus 1 minus of minus 1 into beta plus gamma. This is what I am having, beta plus gamma. Okay, this is alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into, see here, minus sign is there, so let me multiply, minus alpha minus beta. Here, minus into minus, it will be plus. So, I will be having beta plus gamma. Beta plus gamma. Okay. So, plus beta minus beta will get cancelled. I will be having gamma minus alpha. So this is alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha. That is what I need to prove, which is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence, this determinant is equal to alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha into alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is how you will be concluding your answer. Now let's move on to question number 7. Here, using the properties of the determinants, we need to prove that determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C. This question is taken from the NCERT textbook. Also, in 2011, 2012 as well as in 2013, the same question was asked in the board examination. Let's do it now. Solution. LHS. First consider LHS. You will have 1, 1, 1 determinant A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube. Now, it is easy for me to make two entries in R1 as 0. What can I do for that? I can write C1 as C1 minus C2 and C2 as C2 minus C3. So when I do that, I will automatically get 0 and 0 over here. Then I can expand this determinant using R1 to get the required answer. Now, C1, let me write it as C1 minus C2 and C2, let me write it as C2 minus C3. Then I will be getting this determinant as LHS as 1 minus 1, 0. A minus B. Then A cube minus B cube. Then C2 is C2 minus C3. So 1 minus 1, 0. B minus C. Then B cube minus C cube. Third column will remain the same. 1 C, C cube. Okay. This is nothing but 0 A minus B. A cube minus B cube is nothing but A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. That's the formula. So let me write here A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Second column will be 0 B minus C. Again B cube minus C cube, which can be written as B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. Okay. Now, third column will remain the same. That will be 1 C cube. Third column will be 1 C cube. There won't be any change. Okay. I hope you got the point. I written the first row as it is, second row as it is, third row instead of A cube minus B cube, I written as A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Instead of B cube minus C cube, the same formula of A cube minus B cube. That is B minus C into here, B square plus BC plus C square. That's what I have done. Now, I can take out A minus B from C1 and B minus C from C2. Taking out A minus B and B minus C from C1 and C2 respectively. LHS will become, see here, 0. A minus B, first let me write that. I am taking out A minus B into B minus C. See, inside I will be having 0. A minus B is outside. So, I have only 1. Here also A minus B I have taken it out. Then I will be having A square plus AB plus B square. That's all. Now what will happen to C2? Same way. 0 I will have. B minus C, take it out from C2. I have 1. Again b minus c is there. So b square plus bc plus c square. B square plus bc plus c square. That is, I have taken out b minus c from C2. Third column will remain the same. 1c cq. Now I can expand this using row 1. I will be getting expanding through R1, we get A minus B into B minus C into, leaving the first row and the first column, product of these two terms minus product of 1 into this A square plus AB plus B square. So when I find out the product of 1 into B square plus BC plus C square, I will be getting B square plus BC plus C square minus of 1 into this particular element, entry, that will be A square plus AB plus B square. Now, let me remove the bracket over here. I will be getting LHS is equal to A minus B into B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square minus A square minus AB minus B square. Now, if I look at it, plus B square minus B square will get cancelled. Now, I will be left with only these four terms. Let me factorize that now. A minus B into B minus C. What I can do here is, I can combine BC and minus AB. B can be taken out. Instead, I will have C minus A. Then, I can combine C square minus A square. That will be plus C minus A into C plus A. That is, it is of the form A square minus B square, which is A plus B into A minus B. Now, in these two terms, C minus A is common now. That can be taken out. Let me do it here. LHS will be, that will be equal to, I will be having A minus B into B minus C into, inside the bracket C minus A, what is left? B plus C plus A is left. C minus A into B plus C plus A. This is a simple factorization, that's all. Now, which is A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C, which is your RHS. Okay. So, what do I get now? Therefore, determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C. We need to write the answer. Therefore, determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C. You have to rewrite it again. A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C, hence proved. This is how you will be concluding your answer. This step is the part of the question. You need to conclude your answer. For every sum, it has to be done in that manner, because in the examination, writing the answer, especially for 4 marks and 6 marks, they will be allocating half a mark for it. So, I don't want you to donate the marks unnecessarily. So, be careful, complete the question properly. Now, let us move on to question number 8. Here, using the properties of the determinants, we need to show that the determinant A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, B, C, C, A, A, B is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into AB plus BC plus CA. This question is taken from the NCERT textbook. Also in 2011 and 2013, the same question was asked in the board examination. Let's do it now. Solution. Considering LHS, determinant A, B, C, A square, B square C square, BC CA AB. Here what I am going to do now to start with, I am going to multiply C1 by A, C2 by B and C3 by C. So when I am multiplying one particular row by A, I need to divide the determinant also by A. Only then the value will remain the same. Same is the case for when I multiply the C2 by B, I should divide it also by B. When I multiply C3 by C, I should divide it also by C. So, I will be getting it as multiplying C1, C2 and C3 by A, B and C respectively. I get LHS as 1 by A, B, C into determinant. What will I be getting here? First column will become A square, A cube, A, B, C. Second column will become B square, B cube, A, B, C. Third column will become C square, C cube, A, B, C. Now I can take out A, B, C from R3. So taking out A, B, C from R3, we get LHS is equal to ABC by ABC into the determinant A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube, 1, 1, 1. Yes. Now, these two terms will get cancelled. I am going to shift 1, 1, 1 to R1. But only for convenience sake, so that after that I can make two entries 0 and expand and get the required answer. Now, when I make one shift, the value of the determinant will become minus. When I make one more shift, then again minus into minus will become plus. So, what I am going to do here is, I am going to shift R2 and R3. I will be getting the value of the determinant as, that is the determinant as A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1, A cube, B cube, C cube. Negative. I told you the value will become negative. That's one of the properties of the determinants. I am going to make one more shift. Then it will become positive then. So, I am going to write R1 as R1 and R2 I am going to interchange. So, I am going to get the determinant as 1, 1, 1, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube. Now, this is what I am getting now. Let me proceed. What I am going to do now, I am going to write C1 as C1 minus C2 and C2 as C2 minus C3. What will I be getting? LHS will become determinant 1 minus 1, 0, A square minus B square. Here it will become A cube minus B cube. Second column will be C2 as C2 minus C3. So, 0, B square minus C square, then B cube minus C cube. B cube minus C cube. Third column will remain 1 C square C cube. Now, I am going to write this determinant as 0, 0, 1, 1. A square minus B square can be written as A minus B into A plus B. A cube minus B cube can be written as A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Okay. Now, B minus C, let me write it as B square minus C square. I will write it as B minus C into B plus C. B cube minus C cube can be written as B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. Third column will remain the same. One already written, C square C cube. Now I am going to take out A minus B from C1 and B minus C from C2. So taking out A minus B and B minus C from C1 and C2 respectively. See, every step is very important. I will be getting, I am taking out A minus B and B minus C. Left with 0, A plus B, then A square plus AB plus B square. Here it is going to be 0, B plus C, B square plus BC plus C square. Third column will remain the same. 1 C square C cube. Okay. Now, I can easily expand through the first row. But what will happen is, when I expand the determinant, I need to find out the product of these two terms minus product of these two terms. Number of terms will be more. It will be difficult for me to get the required answer. In order to avoid that, I am going to make one more operation so that I can easily evaluate the determinant. I am going to write C1 as C1 minus C2. That's the operation I am going to make over here. This will become A minus B into B minus C. The determinant 0 minus 0 is going to be 0. A plus B minus of B plus C. A plus B minus B plus C. Third entry will be A square plus AB plus B square minus B square plus BC plus C square. B square plus BC plus C square. Now, second column will be 0, B plus C, B square plus BC plus C square. Third column will be 1, C square C cube. Okay, let us simplify this. A minus B into B minus C, determinant 0. If I open the bracket, plus B minus B will get cancelled. I will be left with A minus C. When I open the bracket over here, plus B square minus B square will get cancelled. So I will be left with A square plus AB. B square minus B square will get cancelled. Minus BC minus C square. Minus BC minus C square. These are the terms I am going to have. Then, second column will remain the same. Third column also, there won't be any change. Okay. Now, let me see whether I can factorize this further. 0. I can combine AB minus BC. B can be taken out. What will I have here? This A minus B will repeat here. I can take out in these two terms B. I will have A minus C inside. Then plus A, I can combine now A square and minus C square. I will be getting plus A plus C into A minus C. I hope you got it. I am combining AB minus BC. B can be taken out. I am having A minus C here. When I combine a square minus c square, which is of the form a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus c. A minus b. Second column will remain the same. Third column will also remain the same. Now, the next step is going to be is equal to, see here, I can take a minus c and a minus c, I can take it out here. Come, then inside I will have a plus b plus c. Okay, so let me write that step now. A minus b into b minus c, determinant 0, a minus c, here a minus c into a plus b plus c. That's what I am going to have over here. Second column will remain the same. 0, b plus c, then b square plus bc plus c square. B square plus bc plus c square. Third column will be 1, c square, c cube. Won't be any change. I can take out a minus c from c1. So taking out a minus c from c1, LHS will be a minus b into b minus c into a minus c. Okay, inside I will have determinant 0, 1, a plus b plus c, 0, b plus c, b square plus bc plus c square, 1, c square, c cube. This is what I am going to have. Now I can expand through first row. I will be getting expanding through R1, we get LHS is equal to a minus b into b minus c into a minus c. Then product of 1 into b square plus bc plus c square minus product of b plus c into a plus b plus c. That is how normally we evaluate the determinant here. So this will be 1 into, I will have b square plus bc plus c square minus b plus c into a plus b plus c. Now this is a minus b into b minus c into a minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. Let us multiply this term by term. Minus ab minus b square minus bc, then minus ac minus bc minus c square. Simple algebraic multiplication. Term by term I multiply. That's all. Here plus c square minus c square will get cancelled. Plus b square minus b square will get cancelled. Then plus bc minus bc will get cancelled. Then I will be left with LHS is a minus b into b minus c into a minus c into minus of ab plus bc plus ca. This is what I am having. So now this LHS I can write it as a minus b into b minus c into, that is, if you see here, I want c minus a. That minus sign can be taken out. Already one minus sign is there. So minus into minus will become plus. So I can write this as c minus a. Instead of a minus c, I can write as c minus a. Then into ab plus bc plus ca, which is nothing but RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, that is determinant ABC, a square, b square, c square, bc, ca, ab, is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into AB plus BC plus CA. So, you have concluded the question. Now, you need to write the answer again. So, answer determinant A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, BC, CA, AB. Therefore, is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into AB plus BC plus CA, hence proved. This way you need to conclude your answer.